In this activity, one player works in a passively opposed environment while being visually and cognitively challenged to connect passes to the two outside players as the pivot player. Inside the central work area, one player randomly dribbles to provide visual and decision-making demands on the support and passing play. Players are to pass and receive on the equator of the ball while utilizing 1 or 2 touch interactions to maintain a high tempo of play to challenge all players. Players should change roles every minute, make it harder by adding another dribbler.